What's going on YouTube? GeoSnow right here. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to jailbreak the iOS 14.1 GM, and of course we're going to also talk about 14.2 support with the CheckRa1n. This video is brought to you by AnyTrans and their contest where you can win the brand new iPhone 12. All you have to do is to tell them the story behind your very first iPhone, and of course share it on social media with backup with AnyTrans as a hashtag, and you're going to get a chance to win the new iPhone 12. Check it out in the link below. So as you probably know, iOS 14.1 GM was seeded on October 13, 2020 for the registered developers. This means that the iOS 14.1 is the next in line for the signed versions. Right now iOS 14.0.1 is the latest, however that will change very soon with the 14.1. Now they also have in beta the iOS 14.2 beta 3, which is not compatible with CheckRa1n. We're going to get to that in a second. But for those of you who are very new to this channel and are very new to the concept of jailbreaking in general, the CheckRa1n does have support for jailbreaking some of the devices on iOS 14. You can read the preliminary support for iOS 14 here and you can see exactly which devices are supported. But for now, the iPhone 6s, 6s Plus, SE and the iPad 5th generation, iPad Air 2, iPad Mini 4, which I'm going to use in this video, and iPad Pro 1st generation, as well as the Apple TV 4K and the Apple TV 4 and the iBridge T2 are supported to be jailbroken on iOS 14 with the CheckRa1n. For the rest of the devices, there is no jailbreak for iOS 14 yet. So as I said, iOS 14.1 is not currently the stable release, it's in beta. It's basically the last beta, the GM or Gold Master, and will be released very soon for the general public. But you can actually download it if you have an Apple developer account, and you will be able to jailbreak it right away with the CheckRa1n. However, the iOS and iPadOS 14.2 beta 3 breaks the support for CheckRa1n. Even if you have one of the compatible devices for CheckRa1n, it will not work for 14.2. So they basically have to update the CheckRa1n in the near future. But what if you do have one of the compatible devices and you have the iOS 14.1 GM, or you're watching this in the future when 14.1 is already out? Well, all you have to do is to follow the standard procedure for the CheckRa1n. So for those of you who are new, I'm going to show you. The CheckRa1n is only available for Linux and macOS at this moment. So if you don't have a Mac, dual boot a Linux machine and you will be able to use the Linux one from the official website, which is available in here on all downloads, and you have the Linux ones in here as well. Then after you connect your device, you go to options in here and check the allow untested iOS and verbose boot. Press back and press start, press next in here, and your device will enter in recovery mode. So I'm waiting for it to enter recovery mode. It looks like this when you're in recovery mode. And now we have to follow the on-screen DFU mode instructions. So I'm going to press start in here and follow what it says on the screen. So I'm going to press the home button and the top button at the same time. And there you go, as you can see it says device entered DFU mode, and it's now booting normally with the CheckRa1n. At this point you're going to see the CheckRa1n logo appears on top of the Apple logo and your device will boot normally. Since we activated verbose boot, this is going to spit a lot of text at you on the iPad screen. It's normal, don't worry about it, you just have to wait for it to complete and you will be jailbroken on 14.1, 14.0.1, 14.0 and stuff like that. So my iPad booted and I'm gonna be right back on the device. So as you can see, I'm here on the device. So we have the CheckRa1n application now on the screen. If you open it, you will be able to install Cydia. So all you have to do is to wait for it to load in here. And once it loads, you press the Cydia. So reinstall in my case. And once you press that, you're going to have the download based system in here. It's going to take a couple of seconds. It's going to probably take like 1 or 2 minutes for it to download. And once it's complete, you will be able to install tweaks normally on iOS 14.1, 14.0.1, 14.0 and stuff like that, but not 14.2. As of beta 3, the CheckRa1n stopped working and it needs to be updated by the CheckRa1n team. I'm going to make a video once that happens. As for more devices, there will be more device support in the future. The iPhone 7 will be supported, 7 Plus will be supported, and the iPod Touch 7th generation and stuff like that, but that may take a little bit more time. However, it's important to note that the CheckRa1n doesn't work with the A12 and A13 devices. So as you can see, Cydia now works, everything is now in here, and we are able to install any tweaks we want. We can press upgrade in here, press confirm if you want. It's basically a working jailbreak on 14.1, which is barely in GM, which means that it's going to be released very soon for the general public, but it's already available for developers. So yep, that's basically it. Thank you for watching. I am GeoSnow. Till the next time, subscribe to stay updated, and peace out.